Today is very exciting. We're going to be doing a 5K time trial at the track. I'm going to be going for an 18:59 5K. I'm really excited because I have not gotten to race the 5K since last November. I just haven't gotten around to it. So it'll kind of be like a big predictor of like, what does the fall season look like for me? In short, I don't really know because my 5K time isn't really as fast as I think it should be for my goal marathon pace, but we're just gonna find out today what we can do. Just did a quick warm-up, 1 mile warm-up, and then we're gonna head over to the start line for this 5K. You think I can actually do 18?
Yeah, gonna beat it, woo!
That makes one of us who thinks I'm gonna go 18 today. I believe that this is gonna be hard. I hope that I can do it. Okay, so one of my favorite features about Coros is that you can do, let's go for this. You can do target distance and then your target time. So we're gonna go for 18:59, target 6:06. So then it'll kind of guide you throughout the run. Realistically, my goal is to split the miles at 6:10, 6 flat, 5:50 for the third, and then sprint the finish and hold on. I'm not ready to hold on.
Got it, boys.
You always see the guys at the start of like the 100 and they go. And those are like the worst jumps you'll probably ever witness. All right, I'm ready. Ready, Borza?
Yep. You got it.
Oh my God. My name is Colton Brown, and this is me after my 5K. Finishing 20:03.
Oh, dang.
It didn't go well. It hurt from like the first half mile. Literally, from like the first lap, I was like, oh, we're good. And then I hit the half mile and I was like, I still feel strong. And by the mile, I was like, this is gonna suck. That does not give me much confidence at all going, okay, we're coming in for like an 18:37 and we dropped to 20:03.
What's the average?
Like 6:27, 6:26. And we're aiming for 6:06. It's also hard when I'm like, the goal marathon pace is 25 seconds slower than that, and this is 3 miles. So doing something for 3 miles versus 26 miles, it's not looking good. But we'll see what the fall brings. I mean, I've learned somewhat recently, and especially today, is that you just have to take the pace your body's capable of holding. I'm like, there's no point in me going out there going for 650s and then just dropping dead like 6 miles into the race, because I'd rather give it a sustainable effort. I got a lot of figuring out to do, but at least we learned. We came out here, we gave it a really good effort. Like, I'm like, that wasn't my 110%, but that was definitely in the 90-95% range. All right, can I go sit down? Yay. My overall thoughts are, it was a great learning experience. I didn't want to race under these conditions, being that it's really hot and windy, but ultimately, that's what the actual race day might look like. The previous 2 years where I raced the full marathon, the weather was pretty good. It was overcast or rainy and cold, which I love. But last year when Rachel and I did the half marathon, it was hot. It was actually a hot race. So whether you want to or not, this might be what the actual race day conditions look like. So it was a good practice to come out here, try, see what happens. That is a really big part of racing the marathon, and any distance in that matter, is that you have to be okay with the fact that while you train for a certain pace and you're all prepared for it, when the day comes and the weather shows up, you're probably gonna have to adjust your plans. That's something just to keep in mind for myself, as well as anybody else who's going into anything this fall season, to just be happy with what your result ends up being, enjoy it, and be proud of it. Because as not happy as I am to see a 20-something minute 5K, that is a big start, considering whenever I originally started running, I think my first 5K was like 25, 26 minutes. And that is still even pretty good itself. Oh, Rachel said her first 5K was 25, 26 minutes, and I was like, that's...
mine was 24.
Oh, Rachel's
55.
Rachel's first 5K was 24:55. But yeah, you should be proud of yourself. It is kind of random, but I actually realized that this month, August of 2015, is when I started running for the first time as a freshman in high school. So 10 years later, through lots of ups and downs, it does go to show you that the longevity is there, the enjoyment's there. And as much as I love putting down fast times, the best part and the original reason I started running is I get to hang out with my friends, and it's such a great way to enjoy your time with people, get to see things, and have fun. I'm gonna leave that off for the end of the video. I hope you guys have a happy, beautiful, and blessed day. Bye.